So I'm stopping by a private meeting here with Lutron to take a peek at their new shades that they're releasing. Let's go take a peek. All right, so we launched this on Sunday,
yes. Right? Yep, it's our brand new Caseta shade for the Caseta system. We launched and we're really aiming to bring the luxury of smart shades to more consumers with this.
Sure.
Make it more accessible, a bit more simple to design, and ultimately install in the home. So
sure.
We are launching with a roller shade and a honeycomb shade. So this is, what you're seeing here is the roller in gray fabric.
And extremely quiet. That is a big plus.
Yes, we really pride ourselves on, having the advanced engineering and offering a top quality product at an accessible price. So the the pricing will be $399 for shades up to 48 inches wide by 80 inches tall.
Okay.
So that covers most residential windows.
Yep.
We also have an additional $30 for a blackout versus like a light filtering. And then we can go up to 96 inches wide. It just gets more variable cost-wise. So anything under 48 inches wide is typically $399.
That's nice.
Yeah, and like you mentioned, super quiet. When you've got multiple, they all move in unison when they're the same shade type.
Sure.
And yeah, a big opportunity to bring in that luxury shading experience for the DIY consumer. And we'll be launching in this roller, and we also have our honeycomb shade as well.
I really like how smooth and quiet it is.
Yes, and
that's pretty awesome.
You're familiar with the Caseta brand generally, so
oh yeah,
it works in the same app. You can set scenes like a movie time to close the blinds, set your lights to 1% dimming,
yep,
and expect that superior performance that Lutron provides both in dimming and then in shading, and bringing all of that experience in for a united lighting control.
Yeah, I use mine. I set scenes like 1 hour prior to sunset, do XYZ, right, and then at sunset do XYZ, and so that way it's variable throughout the year. So it all goes by sunset. So it's not like I have to, hey, it's getting darker earlier or it's getting darker later or whatever, and I have to manually do it. I love being able to just set the things based on that, and so it automatically adjusts depending on the season.
Yep.
And obviously I'm familiar with the Serena Shades, which are definitely a more premium price point and are a fantastic product, but it's really cool to see these now down in where it's more affordable. More people will actually pull the trigger on it.
Yes, yeah. Again, our main aim is really to bring that, to more people.
Exactly.
More accessible. We also simplified a little bit of the ordering process. So really, just kind of gives you a series of questions on, what style you want, what color you'd like, which
type of mount
that you're preferring, and then you enter in your measurements, and then you're ready to go. And as you can see, the price $399 for kind of anything that you would want under, that 48 inches by 80, and then have samples of the fabric here. So we've got the light filtering honeycomb, the blackout honeycomb in white and gray, and then also we have the the fabrics the fabrics for the roller in the same color, so white and gray. You can kind of hold it up and see.
Show for the light filter versus the blackout.
Yeah.
Yep. And are there plans to bring out more colors maybe in the future?
Initially we're going to launch with these. Mm-hmm. We know that those are
the most common,
the most popular.
Yeah.
Often people will
match more colors in the foam.
Yeah. So I think it's a good start, because usually I stick to gray for most things for my windows, or any of my treatments for the most part. Yeah.
But
And the other point is they are totally wire-free, battery-powered. So they take 4 to 8 D batteries, and
that pulls out on the one side, and it'll actually hold itself there, right?
yes, yeah, it won't fall. There's a little clip there that
Sure.
keeps it, and then you kind of just can change it. That way, your light goes on, it's correct, and then just kind of
Pop
pop
back
it
in.
back in.
And like you said, like I talked to you before, so inside mount, outside mount, above, outside mount.
Yeah, I think we have the other one over here. So on frame or above, on trim or above trim.
Yep.
Are the options. And I think the above trim comes with little spacers that kind of allow you to keep it in line.
The only question I would have on the roller shade specifically, do they offer on the Caseta ones a reverse roll, where rather than it comes out? Okay.
No reverse roll, only on Serena.
Sure, because sometimes you run into a treatment that the reverse roll is the one that works best because of the handle or whatever. That's what happened to me in my living room. Was I went reverse roll, so it actually covered the handle rather than just up to it.
And the handle is like a sliding glass door?
No,
window crank.
Yeah, the
Right.
crank itself for the handle for the crank.
So in those applications with this, we would recommend the above frame.
Exactly. So then yep. Yeah, it's just how you mount it. Then,
Right.
yep, exactly.
We have some guidance on the mounting step here in this pop-up to help you understand
And that's
how
all
to go about those
perfect.
decisions.
I have never had an issue with a single one of my products, so that's also a key thing. So
Yeah, that's one thing we really pride ourselves on, like really the smart home that works.
Exactly.
Worry-free, rock solid reliability, direct integrations with each of the partners, whether it's Apple, Google, Ring, Alexa, Samsung, there's Sonos, working with all of them really to deliver the best experience for the consumer.
exactly. That's my favorite thing about them. Well, awesome. I like it.